So if you're looking for something that is that lower profile, that does have that natural density look, and you're able to get ear tucks with ease. Hey everybody, welcome back to TAZS's Wig Closet. Today we're going to take a look at a newer style by Belle Tress. This one is called Zaragoza in their Spanish collection in the color Caramel Blonde. Remember, you can find it right here at Wig Studio 1. If you go below the video and expand the description box, there will be a direct product link listed there. If you click on that link, it will take you right out to the site. You can see all of the colors and pricing on this style. Don't forget, if you have questions, to please reach out to support at wigstudio1.com. So the main reason I want to pull this directly from the box is both to show you the color and first application so you know what to expect. So this Caramel Blonde, it is a very warm, almost honey blonde that looks like there's some strawberry in there and some gold blonde on a medium root. Rooting has a wonderful transition. It's a softer root appearance. I've seen this color multiple times and it's always beautiful. Definitely a warm color. Let's also take a look at the cap while we have it opened up here. So Zaragoza has an extended lace front. They call it a creative lace front, and that moves back into a long left monofilament side part. And then a closed ear tab, an extended nape with the Velcro style adjusters. There was a day not too long ago that they used the strap type adjusters. I much prefer the Velcro. So they've really come a long way. A nice wide parting space there. So let's go ahead and try on Zaragoza. It should be a medium length, kind of a shag style cut. Lots and lots of layers. Belle Tress does amazing layering. Now this one fits typical of Belle Tress. So I did have to make a maximum adjustment in order to accommodate my petite average circumference. Otherwise it would just roll around on my head, but I was able to get there. All right, so my first thing I do is kind of rake it back away from the face. The last thing I want is for hair flopping in the face while I do this review. It stays back and away from the eyes very nicely. Wow. Another beautiful thing about Belle Tress as a brand, you will typically find a style with bangs to match the styles without bangs. So when we're looking at Zaragoza, what comes to mind is Tribeca. Tribeca is very similar to the style with the choppy, shaggy layers, but it has more of a pronounced bang. Now this one's 5.5 inches. You could take your scissors and go in and create a bang, but that Tribeca might actually be a better choice if you're looking for something with a bang. As it is, this fringe is out of the way, beautiful. It has a little bit of built-in contour. I can easily use the heat of my hands or my heat tools because this is their famous, luxurious, heat-friendly fiber. Another style that comes to mind that would be a good sister style would be Destiny. In the Cafe collection, Destiny looks very much like this, but has a little bit of a bang. I like this forward movement, kind of a little bit of an underwave there that gives some nice definition around the face. It's lightweight, easy, very, very little permatease. They don't use a lot of heavy, thick permatease on their styles. So this one is very typical in terms of a lightweight density and low permatease. That allows you to get a very low profile. So again, this is right out of the box. I simply just shook it out and parted it along that monofilament. And I've pressed it down just a little bit to show you that you don't have to wear that with any contour if you don't want. It's just that my preference is to get it up and sweep it away to create a little bit of contour there, but also to keep it out of the face. So let's move it around a little so you can see all the ways to wear Zaragoza and be inspired to style your wigs as well. Everybody have a great day. We'll see you soon right back here at TAZS's Wig Closet.